Are we live?
We are live. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Let's Talk But No Politics OK Facebook page. And just trying to share this out. Today, I'm with my son, Jacoby, and as you can see, we're going to be opening up some OPG Batman Returns cards. Batman Returns, pretty cool movie, and OPG was the Canadian counterpart to Tops. So, without further ado, you want to get into there, Jacoby?
Yes. Let's go. Do I like punch this or?
Huh? No, other way. You gotta go from. It goes from the bottom. Goes from the bottom. There's a piece of tape.
But this is like easy open right here.
No, that's for display purposes here.
Oh, okay. I got you. You're gonna open it?
Yes, I'm gonna get that piece of tape for you because I'm gonna show you how it's why it looks like that.
Is that like on display stuff?
See, when you used to walk into a card store, you pop it open like that, so that way the cards are on display.
Okay.
So there is the open of it. Pretty cool. Okay.
I want to hold this so I can open this pack.
Make sure you get underneath the camera.
I will. I will.
Just gonna open probably. Sure.
So I know. So I don't.
Cards are up. You gotta kind of do it.
Oh yeah, upside down. I forgot.
Yeah.
So
So
like,
who do we got there?
I don't know. Oh, I
That looks
think
like
that,
a scene card.
Yeah, probably.
All right.
Then we have. Who's that? Oh no.
That's Alfred from the movie.
Okay.
All right.
Alfred.
And it looks like
Another scene.
feline on the proud Catwoman. What's the backs look like?
It just tells you about this stuff. I think right there. Just tells you about the stuff right here.
Okay.
Put that one.
What's this one? Is that
This one is the.
innocent victim?
Oh, don't know who that is. And then vengeance is here, and I'm pretty sure that's Catwoman.
Oh, there's one behind there.
And I can't really read it.
An acrobatic surprise.
Yes.
All right, grab another pack there.
How many of these are we gonna do? Probably not all of them.
Probably like 5 right now.
Okay. Oh yes, and if you wanted to see, there's the pack.
That's yep.
Right there, and then.
Come on, you watch enough YouTube stuff.
I know.
You know how to do this.
Well, normally they show the pack and stuff. So there, that's.
There you go.
One.
What's the back of these ones look like?
I think they're just the same.
Oh, it's a little bit different.
This one is different. I don't know what that is though. Oh, it's just telling you about the scene, I think. Right there. Missing.
Missiles away.
Missiles away. Have to read through your computer, so it's pretty hard.
Yeah, just you don't gotta read them. Just show the pictures.
There's that.
Oh, sabotaging the Batmobile. That was always the interest. That's a cool one. What is that one? Is that a checklist or?
I don't know.
Let me see that. That's really cool. Oh, this is the first card in the set.
Special Stadium. called cards? I don't know. But there.
Alright.
Batman. And then there's this.
Shrek's Way. That was the evil one.
The best thing about all of them.
The barcodes.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
barcodes. Just have to love the barcodes. Oh, this one's.
That's a checklist right there.
Here's a checklist.
What is this, an 88 card set?
I think.
Here, let me see when you're done.
There you go. There's a checklist. Here's this, and if you couldn't
89 card set.
can't see well, there's
including the
that.
checklist. Maybe we could get the whole set.
Yeah, maybe. And here's this. And then should be a couple more. I don't know what that is.
You got it the wrong way.
Oh, I do?
Yeah,
Oh.
some of them are long, some of them are.
Oh, okay. I think that's the Joker, I think.
No, there is no Joker in the Batman Returns. Batman Returns is the Penguin and Catwoman. Joker gets with like a, or it's not the Joker. Batman gets with, like, or not Batman. Penguin gets with like a circus. That's why you're gonna see a lot of clowns.
So there's that card.
All right. Well, we got two more.
Yeah, that was 1, 2, 3. So 2 more.
OPG is, like I said, this is like the Canadian version of Tops. I don't know if anybody ever. I'm kind of used to it. I lived in the Western New York area, not too far away from Canada.
There. There's another one.
Let me kind of focus in. Okay.
Focused? Yeah, focused a bit.
They're pretty cool cards.
Yeah, they are. I say my favorite one out of all of them that we've seen is the Batman one.
The Batman one?
Yes, and I really like the card set. I like this. Is that like a villain or like a clown?
That's the Penguin. I guess we gotta go watch Batman Returns.
Yeah, I never seen that. Oh, here's a pretty cool one. What's that?
The Cat Challenges Bat.
Oop, that's not all of them. The Max Squadron.
Yeah. The last pack for today.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what you pull.
Oh, Odo, oh.
No. Wrong one. If you want to watch sports cards, I'm sorry, excuse me, football card pack opening, the Two Boy Conversation has a lot of that as well. So if you're looking into that stuff, I figured this
There's
was fun.
the first one that we got.
Did we get that one already?
Yeah, we did.
We'll have to go through.
See? There's that. At the end, we'll probably go through, because right now we're probably just like going through them like super fast. There's, whoa. What? Did I put that wrong?
Yeah, it's Gliding Gladiator.
Okay.
It's him flying.
Yes.
Or gliding.
That's where he is. If you couldn't see him right there. And then, oh, get out of here. Go. Then there's this guy. I don't know who that is.
That's Bruce Wayne.
I was thinking
That's Michael
that.
Keaton as Bruce Wayne.
Ooh, this one is pretty cool. Nightmare as a Child.
As a child. You gotta watch the movie. We have HBO Max. Go watch it when we're done.
Yeah. Turning on the Crowd. I think that's Penguin right there, actually. Looks like it. And rallying his troops.
There it is.
Yeah.
5 packs right there.
Mm-hmm.
I have a whole box.
Whole box more.
Excuse me. Definitely gonna do some more packs.
Almost dropped it.
do 5 at a time until the whole box is gone. And can you tell everybody where they can catch new episodes of Let's
On
Talk
the
With Us?
BICPB Radio Network.
The ICBP Radio Network, Apple Podcast, and Spotify. And with that being said, good morning,
Good night. Good afternoon.
and good night. Thanks,
Goodbye.
everybody, for
Goodbye,
watching.
not good night again. And goodbye.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. All right.